your girl twalacole, aka Sister Cole. And how's my beautiful fam doing? I hope that you guys had a beautiful, a wonderful, prosperous day. Okay, you guys, you know over here, you know what we like to do. I do product reviews, lookbooks, hauls. I give you a good word of encouragement. I cook, I clean. Honey, I just life over here. If this is something that you would love, go ahead and touch that subscribe button. Hey guys, Nail Reserve sent me over some beautiful vegan nail polish to share with you all, and I'm so glad that they did. They manufacture and sell high quality vegan, nine-free and cruelty-free gel polishes and nail accessories. You can also become a VIP member and receive 50% off always. Special sales, early access to launches, access to exclusive sales, free shipping worldwide, and free return and exchanges. The polish is absolutely beautiful. You can also receive 50% off of a minimum of 2 purchases by using my code TWALA. Go and check them out. Their link will be in my description box. Beautiful nail polish, I tell you.